Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory low on the application of REDnote. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about REDnote and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.